So I was just in my room playing GTA, and all of a sudden I see like this crazy blue explosion looking thing happen right behind me. It was like a flash of electricity, and I look behind me and I'm noticing that these motherfuckers are like breaking down some building that used to be there. You see that bulldozer right there with the little fork thing? The thing's right there. Like, you can get a better look on the side, but straight up, all that shit came straight from right there. Like, what the fuck? I was playing GTA, just knocked me the fuck off. Maybe that one fucked up pretty bad too. You could actually hear like static coming from it. You could hear the electricity just humming. I don't want to get too close because I straight up saw like a crazy blue explosion happen. I'm gonna go in the house and see if any of the power is back on. The refrigerator's off. I was kicked off GTA. Look, you can hear some crazy shit happening right now. Look at this motherfucker. Oh my god, did you see that shit? Dude, no wonder people fucking died. Oh my god, that was scary as shit. Dude.